Anti-Inflammatory Morning Tonic. Hey, Wellness fam! I'm so excited to share my go-to morning tonic that kicks inflammation to the curb. It's super easy to make, tastes amazing, and sets the tone for a healthy day. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. First, grab a glass and add a thumb-sized piece of grated ginger. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. These two are inflammation-fighting powerhouses. Now, add a pinch of turmeric and a dash of black pepper. The pepper helps your body absorb the turmeric better. Finally, pour in some warm water and stir it all together. Ginger and turmeric are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lemon helps to alkalize your body. This tonic supports your immune system and reduces bloating. Give this anti-inflammatory morning tonic a try for a week and see how you feel. I bet you'll love it as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips. Orange and turmeric morning tonic. Great for inflammation, digestion, and a natural energy kick. Ingredients: juice of 2 oranges, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, pinch of black pepper, helps turmeric absorb, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional. Instructions: mix everything and drink first thing in the morning.